Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the topics Ubuntu desktop elements, the desktop background, the launcher, and the elements of Ubuntu. There are three elements only. Yesterday we discussed. Today we'll discuss about the topics, the same elements of Ubuntu, the remaining seven elements of Ubuntu, and creating, deleting files and folders. This is the objectives. LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Impress, Ubuntu software icon, Ubuntu online shopping icon, and trash. Then the next topic is creating, deleting files and folders, and shutting down Ubuntu using session options. So the fourth one is LibreOffice Writer. The LibreOffice Writer icon will directly tag you to a document preparation application. This is like a Microsoft Office Word in Windows. See the screen. This is the LibreOffice Writer window. In the top of the block one is title bar. In the left also the launcher is equivalent to taskbar as Windows. See the screen. This is the LibreOffice Writer window. The menu bars, toolbars also available. The like as a Microsoft Office window. The next one is LibreOffice Calc. This icon will open LibreOffice Calc application. It is similar to Microsoft Office Excel in Windows. See the screen. This is the LibreOffice Calc window. The screen is only table format. The top one is title bar, the menu bars also used. In below in the Windows, A B C D is the one of the cell names. In the left side you can count the numbers. In the top you can go to the English letters. This is subdivided into rows and columns. This is the LibreOffice Calc window. Next one is LibreOffice Impress. By clicking this icon, you can open LibreOffice Impress to prepare any presentation in Ubuntu, like Microsoft Office PowerPoint in Windows. This is considered to the slides. See the screen. This is the LibreOffice Impress window. There are two boxes are available. Click to all title and click to all text. In the left side, the small screen is slide window. Here the lot of custom animations and transitions also implement, and then user we can show the presentation is very effectively. This is the LibreOffice Impress window. The next one is Ubuntu software icon. This icon will let you add any additional application you want. This can be done by clicking the update option at the top of right corner of that screen. See the screen. This is the system settings icon. This is like to control panel. The next one is online shopping icon. Using this icon, users can buy and sell any products through the online. It's like Amazon software. The next one is trash. This icon is the equivalent of a recycle bin of Windows operating system. All the deleted files and folders are moved here. You can go to the trash menu and then double click the particular file. Means a restore option will ask. You click the restore option, means wherever you can delete a particular file, means that particular location we can again will store the particular files or folders. This is the trash uses. The next one is creating, deleting files and folders. Similar to Windows operating system, you can create, delete the files and folders with the same procedure by clicking files icon. For example, even you can open the mobile, your Android mobile phone. You can click the one folder, long press, and then go to the option menu, click the delete option. The same way to create and delete the files and folders using Ubuntu. See the screen. This is the screen of creating a file or folder by right clicking. So the empty screen we can create the click the right click and then choose the new option and click the new folder or any applications. So in the screen will display the particular folder or files. This is the way of creating a new files and folders using right click. Next one is creating a file or folder by using file menu. See the screen, go to the file menu and then click any one option a new folder or new file, and then one folder or application will display. You type the new file or new folder name and then click enter. Now we're creating a file or folder by using a file menu. The next one is deleting a file or folder. If you don't want one files or folder means, go to the particular location and then click the one icon, see the screen in this diagram. I will click the one icon, if anybody folder or files, and right click and click the delete option, and one dialog box will appear. So click the delete button. The particular file or folder will delete. The last topic is shutting down Ubuntu using session options. When you have finished working on your computer, you have choose to log out, suspend or shut down through the session indicator on the far right side of the top panel. See the screen. This is the session option. The last in the top of the right corner, we can display the one power button. So click that button. See the screen. The lot of options will available. Go to the shutdown. Last option is shutdown. The next one is suspend, logout. Logout means the other users we can access, but the shutdown options, the last one option shutdown is you can click the shutdown means on dialog box will appear. You click the shutdown button. So totally your system will shut down. This is the setting down Ubuntu using session options. Students, the fifth chapter, the second part is over. Again, go through it. Thank you.